Um, Hello, can you allow me to enable the video?
Yes, sir. I will give the co-host access, sir. You can even try to set the background as well. Once I give the co-host access, you can do that.
Yeah, better you do. No, how from doing adjusting will be take time. Adjusting will take time, so probably you can do that. And video, yeah, I got the video. Can we start now, or we have to wait for 10 minutes? I see in total 37 participants. So is someone expected to join? Some more expected to join?
Sir, you can wait till 7:05, then you can start, sir.
Okay, it's already 7:03. Hello, good evening. I'm Bala Subramanian. Yesterday we had a session. In continuing the session, yesterday I have given some assignment. So who are all able to do? Please raise your hand. Am I audible? If I'm audible, please raise your hand. Hello? Yeah, okay. So how many people were attending the session yesterday? Please raise your hand. One, two, okay. So yesterday I have given the assignment. If you have completed, uh, how many people completed the assignment? Raise your hand. Right or wrong, doesn't matter. To correct only, I'm here. Uh, Shrenik Patel, you have completed the assignment. Great. Can you share your screen? I just will go through your screen, see what you have done, so that others also can know what are the things they can also do. Shrenik Patel, can you share your screen? Can you share your Power BI desktop? Some Can someone answer the question? Am I audible? If I'm audible, please respond. Harsh, Harsha, yesterday I gave you an assignment. Can you share your screen whether you are if you have completed the assignment? If not, raise your hand. So how many are confident on creating a Power BI report as we discussed yesterday? If you are confident, raise your hand. One, only one. Harsha, did you complete the assignment gave yesterday? Still, some people are joining. I think we have to wait for some time. Still, some people are joining. How many people have their laptops ready? Raise your hand. Are you attending? Okay, how many people are attending this session through mobile? Raise your hand. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, Right. So apart from 9 to 9, does does that mean everybody is having their laptop and attending the session? So who is who are all people who are attending the session using laptop? Raise your hand. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Great. 5 people are attending with laptop. Uh, okay. Tejashwani More, can you share your laptop? Share your Power BI report, whatever you have done. I'm here to help you, so you don't need to get agitated. Tejaswini More, who are in the Acer laptop. Okay, can you share your laptop? Yeah. So Harsha, can you share your laptop? Yeah. Yesterday you have been sharing. I, I wanted to give opportunity to others also. Okay, Harsha, can you share your laptop? Let's see what is the assignment I gave yesterday, whether you are able to complete or if you have any clarifications, I can resolve it right here. Nobody is sharing the laptop. Nobody has done the assignment. Okay, I will share my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Power BI? Yeah. Amar, can you see my screen? I shared the screen. Can you confirm whether you can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, this is the Power BI desktop. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import a CSV file yesterday, which we did it, and who has not watched it, you can watch it again. So I am importing your sales data. Normal procedure is that you have to go through each and every field before uh, importing. See the fields are uh, correct, whether the data in the particular field is correct. Numeric should be numeric, character should be character, like that. Then what if some problem is there, we will correct it right there. There's an option to correct it also, or you can using the transform data. How what we do is that since you are already gone through this phase, I don't want to repeat that. I'm just loading the data. So if you see on the right side, you can see data. This is organized like left side, you have report view, table view, model view, and dash query view. In report view, that's what we are here. Table view, you can see the data. Model view is where you see what are the tables, one or more tables. DAX view is what are the DAX queries you are using, DAX formulas you are using. This is how it is organized. And here you can build your reports. There is something called visualization, where what kind of visualization, what kind of report or dashboard you are going to create. You can use this area. Here you have the data. So whatever you have imported the data set, you can see that. It could be a CSV file, it could be Excel, it could be RDBMS, or it could be any other database. So to create a small report, what we can do is that there are multiple ways to do it. One of the ways is that, for example, I'm clicking on categories and cost price. So now you see the tabular format of data. This creates stacked bar chart, and this create a stacked column chart. And you can just clicking, you can change the data. Different reports, you can see different format of visualization you can see here. It's a tree map. There is no chart map. Okay, yeah. It's a card. So, till now, do you have any clarifications? Please let me know. There is another way to create a report is that yesterday we saw that pressing control plus forward slash, that also can create a report. So here you can say what kind of chart you want, everything you can say. And if you want to, yeah, if you want to make the report as report of the query, click here. It will turn into a permanent chart. If you want to use some kind of AI features, which is comes with along with the paid version, you can use this. This provides the information about the report. Do you have any questions? You can ask me. So if you click on this, the report becomes permanent. So here you cannot do anything. You cannot enter any queries or anything. Pressing delete removes the report. Or I can click on that and click on remove, then clear the report. So any questions? If you have any question, raise your hand. So what we will do is that we'll do a simple dashboard report on this. First, we'll use, see, these are the fields available. And what I will do is that I will open file for you to understand the data. Yeah. The good thing about this is that it has address also. There's quantity. So it has order date, order ID, product earnings, categories. So here categories has some issue, and purchase address, quantity, price for each, quantity ordered, price for each quantity, cost price, turnover, and margin. So now we will go to the report. Yeah. This is the report. Is that in the tabular format? Now going to the reporting view. First, we will create a dashboard, one chart on this based on categories and cost price. It is a pie chart for each category. What is the cost price we have created on report. So basically, what is the difference between a dashboard and a normal report? Can anyone answer this? So before proceeding further, want to answer? Raise the hand. There is no right answer or wrong answer. Just to make the session interactive, or else nobody is interactive, the session will get over in half an hour or 45 minutes. No. Then what we'll do is see what is a dashboard. Is a dashboard comes in a single page with multiple data points or multiple charts meant for say the management people. Reports is something which goes for multiple pages and at the deeper level. And dashboard is all mostly the summarized level. Reports is at the line items level. There is a report difference. So now we'll create another report. another dash. The dashboard contains multiple views in single page. So what we'll do is that I will create a dashboard and I will expect you to do the same thing. So if here we saw that for each categories, what are the cost price available? So now what for we'll create another report for categories. What are the margins earned? So we can drag and drag here, put it here, want to size it here, size it. So here we have this. See, the best thing about is that when I click here, data automatically for each category, it shows the data. I have not added any filter. It just automatically changes. For this, what we'll do is that because in legend is something where these are all legends where you want to align for visualization purpose. If you say top right, see, top center, top left, everything can be done. You want to set the font, you can set the font. Italic, if you want to underline. Yeah, underline. Title is given as category. So we can change it. Categories. See the color changes. You can set to any color we want. And there is another thing called general. It's a visual property. It's a general property. If you want to adjust the height, you can adjust the height. Currently, let us leave like that. Position, if you want to change, you can change the position. And if you want to add padding, you can add the padding. You come to that later. This is the heading. We can change it. For heading, we can change the font. We can make it bold, italic, underline. Color, we can set it. Red. If you want to add a subtitle, you can add a subtitle. But subtitle is making it messy. So we are not adding the subtitle. Divider, it divides as a two parts. Heading separate and this one chart separate. So background, if you want, currently background is white. If you want to change the background to something else, you can do this. Then coming to visual border, if you want to change the border, you can change the border. Border is thin, so you will not be able to identify it. See here, the color changes. See, if you want to cast a shadow, you can see the shadow. Again, for shadow, you can set the color. Where do you want the shadow color to be? Inside. Everything you can do what you are doing in PowerPoint. Similar thing can be done here for presentation format purpose. So this is visualization. So similarly here also we can adjust the color. We can change the title text. Slices, everything. Yeah. Here also you can change everything, even grid lines, everything. Zoom layer slider is like that. You want to zoom it to the micro level, you can do that. If you want to zoom the value, zoom the value. If you have questions, please raise the hand, or else I just be proceeding, assuming that you know these things. I can set the color. Transparency is that whether it is the background is visible or how much transparency. See, now background has come to a foreground. To remove the transparency, this will happen. Want to change the border, you can change the border color, like we did it for a pie chart. Increasing the width, you can change it. Ribbons is the how it is organizing. See, outside something, inside something. This is, we have created two charts here. Now for the, what we'll do is that we'll put another chart here. Product earning and product and product earning. You are putting a funnel. Actually, funnel is used for sales funnel. Sales funnel decides how many sales, what kind of sales will be achieving this quarter. How many customer orders are there existing for the sales funnel? This chart is for meant to be for showing the sales funnel, but for indicative purpose, I'm just using this sales funnel here for product. For what could be for product earning? What so product earned could be also sales funnel. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add something called slicer. Slicer is nothing but a filter criteria. If you want to display value based on certain criteria, for example, you can see drop downs. So for slicer, what I'm going to add is product. So now for this product, I click only for that data will be displayed. See, there are different kinds of slicer available. I'm sure you have seen this slicer in the past sessions. So now it appears like this. What are all the products? I'm clicking this product, it changes. Instead of selecting particular things using a checkbox, I'm just clicking here and it changes automatically. So what I can do is that multi-select is available currently. So if you want to multi-select, you press Control and select it. So if you don't want to enable multi-select, what you have to do is that you have to enable single select. So now I've tried to do the multi-select using Control button. So, I'm unable to select do the multi-select. Only one select is enabled. Now again, I did a multi-select, so it is now coming as a multi-select. So if you want to add product header, so slicer header, I can add header like product filter. See, it has changed. Color, input some dark color. The borders of each product has changed. So now what we will do is that it's a simple dashboard. This is how a simple dashboard to look. What we'll do is that I want you to do the same work. I will give you for 10 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. How much time do you want? And stop sharing. You have seen the screen. You have seen this procedure. So let me know. I will give you 10 minutes. I will please create this, do these steps. After 10 minutes, we will review what you have done. And if you have any questions, I will help you on that. Is it okay? If you feel it is okay, please raise your hand. Hello, am I audible? you're not responding the session, I can complete. Yeah, great, excellent. Two, okay, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7. So I will give you 10 minutes. You see whether you can, if you want extra 5 minutes also, you can put it in the chat. I will wait for 15 minutes. 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you want, please put it in the chat. We'll take the time and we will do this dashboard. Till the time, I'm just muting the audio.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. You completed?
Yes, sir. What?
Harsha, have you completed? You said yes.
No, sir. But which topic I should do, sir?
I asked you to do the dashboard, just we are doing, no? I shown you dashboard.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that one. You can use any data set, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If you want, you can download the file from this link. I have shared the file link also. Yeah, I have muted. I have shared the file link. You can download the file from the link from the Google Drive. It is almost getting 8. Let me know who has completed. Please raise your hand. If you have done, please share your screen. Or if you want 5 minutes more, I can give you 5 minutes more. Please raise. If you want 5 minutes, raise your hand. Uh, Teja, have you completed the uh, assignment just I gave you? Can you share your screen? Bhavna? Have you completed the dashboard? What we have done? So has anyone completed? If you have completed, please raise your hand. See, this is a kind of this is a kind of dashboard, and so what we were planning to do is that to create a dashboard similar to this, but I don't know how whether you are following up or not. Like this, we can do a dashboard, but if you're following up, you can do this. If you're not following up, I don't know what we can do. I'm sharing another dashboard, sample dashboard, because for you to motivate so that no, you'll be start doing on dashboard, working on the dashboard. You can do this kind of dashboard also. For example, this species, just clicking on that, it changes automatically. So animated dashboards also possible. So it is not going to be a boring exercise for you. So if anyone has completed, let me know, or else I will just go through dashboard creations and proceed to the session. If you're not going to respond, I'll just go and continue with the session. So we'll create another dashboard. So do not chart. Do so I'll create another one. Purchase address. So for this purchase address, we have these are the location product has been sold. These are the settings available. What I can do is I'm just adjusting the report that here. So I'm just adding the order quantity order here. I'm putting the slicer. Sorry. Slicer. In the slicer, I'm just putting the product. And what I can do is that I can put a drop down. So if it is a product, you can see that location, everything changes automatically. So for the drop down, make it bold. Like this. And what I can add is also something like tree map or the address or the product. What are the categories? What is the cost price? So for the product, so cost, so for the product and categories, what is the cost price? And what I will do is that adding the legend. Colors. You see that color is changing. This is what is legend. Product is the title for this one. And color, let us make it something professional. See, like this, it changes automatically. You don't need to do anything. Binary means it goes down. So I'm adding the data labels and colors. I'm changing the color. It adjusts automatically. This is one type of simple dashboard. So if we can even import more visuals if it is a paid account. RGS is another type of this one map. If you want to add this, you can add this. So if you want to zoom, you can zoom. Clicking down this map, automatically here also value changes, and it is also searching for it, taking you to the particular location. Here, zoom tools means this one. Besides that, what we will do is that we add another report here itself. Product. and product categories. So by default, there is a filter available. You can use this filter. So is what you are doing, is it clear? Okay, okay. This is what is the dashboard I say that we created. Is it clear for you? Can you do this? For example, I added a card. This is a donut. This is a map. This is a matrix. Sorry, Anurag. Is it visible now? Yeah. So, Anurag, is it possible for you to create a simple dashboard like this for you? Okay. Have you created any dashboard till now? Yeah. Can you share your screen? Yeah, please. I will stop sharing my screen. Yeah.
I've completed, sir.
Great. Excellent. Great. Oh, marvelous. So you can see that value automatically changes, no? When you click here. It applies a filter by itself. Oh, oh,
Sir, can I send to you?
it is there. I'm able to see the report.
Okay, sir.
See the screen.
Okay, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful, Anurag. Excellent job. Can you add a map also? Can you add slicer and map? Great, great. Wonderful, Anurag. Marvelous job. Yeah. Anurag, can you add a slicer? You know what is a slicer? Or already you have added it? Okay. I will explain you what is a slicer. Be there in the screen. So go take your mouse to the visualization. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Come down, come down. Yeah. Nearby map is there, no? Yeah, yeah. Go up, go up. Yeah, go up. Yeah. You will see an item called slicer. Which part you didn't understand, map or slicer? Both. Okay. So what you do is that click on next map. Next map. It will be there is another map. Yeah. Click on that map. Yeah. Click on address. Purchase address is there. No. Yeah. Yeah. So what happens is that yeah. Yeah. Come down. Yeah. In the visualization on the second tab, yeah, second tab in the above that. Yeah. Now map settings, you can see the click. Yeah. Now uh, click on the style. There's a drop down. Yeah. You can change the style. If you say, for example, set it to Arial. It changes. Yeah. You can set different styles for this. Yeah. Exactly. Now uh, come to the first tab in the visualization. Yeah. Now you nearby to the map, you can see something called slicer. Come down. Slicer will be next below the map. Yeah, exactly. For you, it is KPI. Okay. Then next to KPI, it may be there. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Got it. Yeah. Click on slicer. Slicer is nothing but you are creating your own filter. So now, if you click on any value, so what is the product? Is product, right? Click on that. Automatically, for the product only, the values will be displayed. Slicer is nothing but a filter, global filter. If you click control click, multi select will be activated. You press cut. Yeah, exactly. Super. Now you can format the slicer, go to the visual settings, just export the visual settings. Yeah. Slicer settings. Yeah. Put a tile. Yeah. Yeah. Drop down. Yeah. And there is an option where you can say select only one item. That is also possible. This is slicer. Are you clear, Anurag? This is how you create a dashboard. This is a simple dashboard. This is how you create a dashboard. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Anurag. You can stop sharing the screen. Anurag, you can stop sharing the screen. Yeah. Uh, Harsha, you said you have also done. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share. Take uh, take your screen to Power BI. Who is it? Whose hand is it? And is there anyone has done the dashboard? If yes, raise your hand. You can see your screen while Harsha is doing his screen. Who's this? Two people. So who is the other person? Type your name. Type your name in the chat box. Chat box. Apart from Anurag, who has done that? Is there anyone has done the dashboard? Uh, For the sales funnel, we have to add the value. Currently, it is empty. Yeah, it is. You already added that on the left side, but you are not added the value for that. Okay, sure. Like, please let me know if you have any questions because on the left side, on the sales funnel, you are not added any field. Below the map, there is one report. Yeah, you are not added any field. Did you add any field? No. You have to add a field for that. You have to click on a field, click on the appropriate field. No, if you come to sales data, on the data side, yeah, select a value. Order ID cannot come as a sales funnel. Funnel means it is yeah, yes, relating to some amount, and for product, what is the amount? Yeah, yeah, correct. Product and product each you can select, or product price you can select. Now it has come as a sum, so you have to select another field. Apart from Anurag and anybody has done the dashboard? No, the best thing about is this: if you add a page two, and for the same data, if you add some more charts based on irrespective of the page, value will change when you click on the particular chart for the particular value. If you put a slicer and you just filter it, value will get changed in page two also, or if it is page three also. Automatically. Saloni, yesterday you said you worked on reports. If you have done the exercise, can you share your laptop? What happened, Asha? Saloni? Yeah, there are 4, 5 people who said they have done the dashboard. See, this is my dashboard. If I change here, value also gets changed here. You can see this matrix. There are two values. I'm changing the filter. This matrix is nothing but here I have selected this matrix. Matrix, you know, right? In school, you have read matrix 3 into 3. So for a product, diamond categories and value I have added. So it changes automatically. This is a so, but this is in page 1. This is in page 2. So automatically it syncs. Any questions in this? Any doubts? Any clarifications? If you have any clarification, you can type in the chat box, the chat window. Or if you have done some work, if you have done some dashboard, chat your name in the chat window. So today, only two people are able to do the dashboard. One is Anurag, wonderful dashboard, and Harsha, of course, is still doing the dashboard. Any other questions? And if you want to do further dashboard, what you can do is that Microsoft material is available. I will share the link. Can you see the link? See, you can find introduction to dashboards, Power BI designers, all those things. The what kind of dashboard. Even you get a sample database also called Northwind database, and you get sample Power BI data. This one get all the support from Microsoft. What we have done today is similar to this. So large amount of material available here. So dashboard themes like that. So is it clear? Any questions? Harsha, have you completed your dashboard? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any questions on that?
No, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Oh, no. Okay, okay. So what I would expect you is that to go through the material, learn from material, and Archana DY has raised the hand. Archana, have you done any work in the dashboard? Have you completed, or do you have any questions? Archana, you can unmute and you can talk. Archana? So what we have seen is a basic dashboard. There are advanced dashboard also we can do, as I shown some animated dashboards. So for animation, you have to be a pro version. You have to have a pro version where you can import animated plugins, visualization, and you can use it. And yeah, This is what is a tree map. So you can try all these charts. We have 2 days, weekend, in the weekend, 2 days you have. You can try all these things. Maybe, Amar, can we close the session?
Yeah, sure, sir. So students will have a next class on Monday. That will be the day 15. And we'll have a 1 hour of session. And in second half, we are going to have the test as well. So whatever we covered on the from the 15 days, so the test will be there. MCQ based test. The link and all things will be shared with you. So no need to worry on that part. So that's all for the day. So happy weekend. Keep practicing. Bye bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students.
Thank you, Amar.